Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing our series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 into a new token every Monday. So let's just get right into it, guys. Woohoo! Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Did you see Bitcoin today? Wow. Guys, this is freaking crazy. Let's check it out. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the old phone here. And we're just going to check this out real quick. $72,380. Look, it's fluctuating right now, but $72,000, guys. $72,000. I told you guys, if you guys have been following along, if you guys have been following this channel for a while, I've been saying it. 100K Bitcoin in 2024. 100K Bitcoin in 2024, guys. I mean, check that out. It's all there. It's there, guys. It's freaking there. We're so close. So close. It's crazy. I mean, look at that spike, guys. Look at that freaking spike. I think we're due for another correction, but it's not going to be very big. But check that freaking out. New all-time high, $72,000 per token. Is that crazy, guys? Is that freaking crazy? Let's see how far back we could go. Not too long ago. Let's see. 2013, $261 to $72,000. That is insane, guys. That is just freaking insane. Congrats to all the early investors that are just balling out of control right now, because wow. Everybody said they were crazy. And look it. Who's laughing now? Who's freaking laughing now, guys? So let's go ahead and check out our portfolio here real quick. We are at minus, let's say, what do we got? My Cosmos is like $7 right now. Gained $2 just in the bull run. So minus that $7, we're about $311. So if you've been following along, you should be around $311. So what do we got here, guys? Like we said last week, Fetch AI, guys. Top of the list, Fetch AI, just dominating our little $20 investments. Look at that, guys. Check that out. $80. $80 freaking dollars for 29 Fetch AI tokens. That is awesome. That is freaking awesome, guys. Uniswap coming in a second at $42.85. $42.85 for Uniswap. Still doing amazing. We still doubled our money, guys. Solana is at $32.57. Not bad. Still doing great. And of course, Bitcoin, 27. We are at $27.16. $27.16 from our $18 investment. Like I said, we're not going to see the big swings because Bitcoin is just so outrageously high, and we bought in pretty, with our little $20. So you're not really going to see much, guys. You're not going to see much of a big bump unless you dollar cost average. If you're dollar cost averaging, which you should, because this is like the gold of the cryptocurrency space, Definitely dollar cost average, and you should just be buying Bitcoin whenever you can. Doesn't matter how much it costs, just buy it. Just keep buying it and keep buying it. XRP. XRP is doing pretty good, guys. $23.50, $23.54 for our 33 XRP tokens. Not bad. We're still in the positive. Magic token, $23.37. We are still in the positive there, guys. Doing great. Polygon, like I said, Polygon is a really strong token. It's lingering about 22.43 from our $18, so not bad still. Crypto.com, we just got it recently, and we are already up on Crypto.com token. Internet computer, we're struggling. Internet computer's struggling, but like I said, I trust that token. I know it's going to do big things, so I'm not worried about it. It has a lot of utility, guys, and that's what you look for in these tokens is a lot of utility. Threshold, our lowest performing asset threshold. We're there, guys. We got, we're there. We got our money back. Let me go ahead and click on that, guys. We haven't lost anything because we haven't sold. So let me go back about a month because I think that's when we that's within the time frame, like I said, of when we invested. And I think we invested, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right here. I think we invested when it was about right here at 3 cents or so. Yeah, it looks like 3 cents, somewhere around there. And then we seen the correction immediately after. So, we seen that correction immediately after. So it looked like we lost money, but we didn't lose because we never sold. And then we started trucking along. We started trucking along and trucking along and trucking along and going on that rise. And then we had another correction. Woo! We had that other correction. And then now you can see, guys, now after that correction, that second correction, we're trucking along again. We're trucking along, and we are now almost in the positive. Almost in the I want to say we are in the positive, maybe a couple cents. But we are in the positive for our lowest performing assets. So guys, let's just go ahead and talk about the token of the day. What's the token of the day? I'm gonna go ahead and go to our watch list here. And where are we at? Here we go. Decentraland Mana. Decentraland token, guys. This token is very dear to me. This token is very dear to me because this was one of the very first metaverses, guys. This is one of the very first decentralized metaverse tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and check them out, guys. Let's go ahead and check them out. Decentralized Mana. Decentraland Mana is an Ethereum token that powers a Decentraland virtual reality platform. Mana can be used to pay for virtual plots of land in Decentraland, as well as in-world goods and services. So, it's the token of the game. I'm going to go ahead and click on their website, guys. Man, I need to get back to playing this game because it was actually pretty fun, guys. This world is pretty cool, So far, all I've done really is just explore, talk to people and stuff like that. But check it out, guys. It's freaking super awesome. So you can go hang out and, meet up with friends. You can buy these plots of land. You can build and do whatever you want, guys. Similar to Sandbox, which is really freaking cool. Super cool. They do host events and stuff in the metaverse here, in their metaverse. So I think it's pretty freaking awesome. They got a lot of stuff going on still. Ton of stuff going on. I'm not even going to get into all this stuff that they're doing, guys, because it's a lot. They're still doing a lot. And go check out the website. Go check out their website. Because this is a lot. I can't go over all this stuff, man. They are so... they just have a lot going on, guys. They are established. They are so established. So, without further ado, guys, let's just get right into it. Let's just go ahead and buy our freaking token already. Let's see here. So, we are not going to pay with that. We're going to pay with some USDC. I preloaded some USDC here. So, We're going to do our little 20 bucks. Oh, man, I just want to use that 24 bucks, but, you know, we're sticking to our $20 buy. We're going to review the order, and we are at... Look how fast that was. Jeez. I'm going to go ahead and done. Man, that was fast, guys. That was so fast. So ridiculously fast. We couldn't even say anything. It was so fast. So, let's go down. Decentralized mana. $18.33 is what we're left over after our purchase, guys. Wow. I can't wait. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Let's go ahead. We're going to check out the all-time high of Decentraland, their mana token. Got all the way up to $5.91. $5.91 is amazing. From 79 cents right now, when we get up to $5.91, that's amazing, guys. That is freaking amazing. I don't think you guys understand how amazing that is. I mean, it's not that crazy because we only have, 18 bucks invested, which got us, what did that get us? Oh, let me go ahead and refresh this. So it got us 23 tokens, 23.2845. This is one of those tokens, guys, that I highly recommend. It's really cheap right now, so I highly recommend just dumping dump money, dump whatever you can afford, guys. Just dump in whatever you guys can afford, whatever you guys are willing to lose, whatever's not going to break the bank. Decentralized Mana is one of those tokens that, like I said, the utility's there. The utility is freaking there, guys. So I think that's going to do it for today. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!